What is up? I am the CNN. So if you're one of my 40 subscribers, you know that my soldering iron is... If you are one of my 40 subscribers, you know that my cheap soldering iron is dead. So is there a way to make a soldering iron at home using cheap available materials? Yes! For building a homemade soldering tool, we're gonna use some pencils, some power source. In this case, I'm gonna use a 5-volt cell phone charger. What? Hey man, I have one question. What's a pencil for? You're gonna use a pencil? No way. That's impossible.
Yeah. Feeding the brains. It's brain talk.
It's brain time.
Graphite pencils. Make sure you use graphite pencils, also known as lead pencils. Graphite. Graphite is one of carbon's allotropes. Allotropes? What do I mean by that? See, the element carbon can exist in 3 phases. Not phases, man. See, the element carbon can exist in 3 forms, as fullerenes, graphite, and diamond, of course. Oh, see, carbon atoms can be arranged in different ways. For graphite, they are arranged in a hexagonal shape, which makes it highly conductive. Let's observe what happens to graphite when high voltages and currents are passing through it. Let's go. Okay, this is my power supply. Is it working? Oh! Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. It's on. Nothing happens. Oh, I can see some smoke. I can see some smoke. I can see some smokes. What's going on? We're smoking hard, man. Not again. Oh, there's something. I can't see it. Turn it off. I'm turning it off. You win. I want my pencil back. I want it back. Hey, check this out. It is still standing. I'm touching it. Touch it. Touch it. Nothing happened. Let's turn it on again. Wow. 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 Oh no. The insulation. The insulation. Protect the insulation, man. Oh, I want to try something out. It is cutting through. Not bad. That was awesome! Since graphite is a good conductor of electricity, if it is thin, like in a pencil, it has some resistance. This means some electrical energy will be converted to heat, as we saw. Smoke's coming out, it was red hot, you know what I mean, eh? So, for making our soldering iron, our homemade soldering iron, we just need to pass some electricity on the tip of the graphite, on the pencil, so that when it is hot, we can use our tool. Easy! Your pencil should look like this. Well, it is hot, but it is not melting the lead. Oh, my power supply is not working. I need a voltage higher than 10, higher than 5. Oh, so that's how it works. You are a genius, man. You really are a genius. You are a genius.